Mastering Language Conventions in English Easy Guide for Students. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a very important topic for all English learners, language conventions in English. Whether you're a student, writer, or just trying to improve your communication skills, this is something you really need to understand. So, what exactly are language conventions in English? Well, they're the rules that help us write and speak clearly. These include spelling, punctuation, grammar, sentence structure, and even how we use tone or characterization in writing. Now let's break it down. Every language has a structure. In English, for example, adjectives come before nouns. We say, red car, not car red. That's part of syntax, one of the key language conventions. Language consists of 5 major parts: phonemes, morphemes, lexemes, syntax, and context. These work together to give our words real meaning. Knowing these helps you create sentences that actually make sense. That's the heart of mastering language conventions in English. Let's talk about writing. Correct spelling, punctuation, capitalization, and grammar are musts if you want to sound professional, especially in school or business. For example, realize is the UK spelling, while realize is used in the US. Both are correct. Just make sure you're using the right one for your audience. Here's a quick tip: always proofread your work. Avoiding simple mistakes like missing commas or using the wrong there can make a huge difference. And don't forget the stylistic conventions too, things like tone, narration, and metaphors. These help make your writing more engaging and powerful. In Australia, following language conventions in English is part of national assessments like NAPLAN. So, mastering these conventions helps you succeed not only in exams but also in everyday communication. So there you have it. Language rules keep communication clear, but language conventions in English make it effective. Start practicing these daily to see improvement in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And for more updates, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.